Before I start my talkings, I would like to request you please. Actually, I don't know how much to talk in English language because I'm from rural area.
You speak in Khasi. We
Is
understand.
okay?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a heart-to-heart connection.
Nang ko thank you sir for your permissions. Nang ko ngas ngamu ya belai na gaman ka kini ke baro ke bawlai hangi. Both of you, Miss, you are the chairpersons. Hagasnem Arhajar Artho last year because of this pandemic. Actually, they already invite me since last year, but because of pandemic, so we could not be able to do this there. Ublay waingi kecingim kebabaha, ublay ulaingi kecingim kebakodor, ulapelai ini na kaneka COVID kat kendai. Bon ki perlok jongi, ki parabril jongi ki baklat na keperthai. Andai ublay upat u isnei barok ki badan hande bangin ya kendo bangin ya iko ne markmat banyo ya share ne banya pendi ya ke bangi don ya ke bangi le ha ke tim jangi. You want me to share my experience or you want me to give some sedang manlongkum inam hikai because I like the children. Before I'm going to talk, I'll interrupt please. I want to introduce my sons. His name is Johnny Bosco. He is my driver also today. He also is studying. He passed already mass communications from Nehru. And then my daughter Priscilla Soyo. She was here since 1 year in Guwahati. She is ready for private ISS. And then our friends, she's a nurse. They are all she's my relative only. So my experience ngalalom ko minang hikai haki school rit ndai ke school bahe nama ngas ngotenat iki kemarit nalabang ngalom gonong hikai ngadon ndrumut ki kon 600 3 sons 3 daughters, and then I have also grandson granddaughter also. The eldest daughter and the second son, they already were married. Ngala try ko munang hikai bati kena school baper ngala hikai hake English medium kumba south nem kabadan hapo east and years ha la ramai ade nang to ngawan phai patchisnong le jong house nem Arhajar Arpho hake niki snem ge bangalang kum inong hikai ngala snoten nadro ban long kum inong rep namar imei pa jengi kilong kinong rep imei pa jungi kilong ki batray si tome. They are both farmer. My moms, she do not know to write even her name also. My father, something he know to read in Khasi. Both of them, they are working very hard. We have 11 members in family, 4 sons, 7 daughters. We thank God, all of us, still we are alive. Parok ni dangeim kan wengut si parah. Our parents already expired. Takajing tray si Tom Jong imei pa. Kilehikai yang ni kumno bengin tray nama gilong kinong rep gilong ki batuk tasame. Ngiaduk haduk kano ngala tip ngala kemau bengilong ki batuk. Hado by imei ila kai ni twins. I am twins. One my sister is at home only. Last week I brought her in Nehru, but today we are very busy to clean our turmeric, tomorrow I want to dispatch it, so I keep her at home to see this work. Ni lalong ki badok imei pa juni ki atrai sitom daga jing trai sitom jong ki baro armut ki lala ban penlit school ini. Actually I passed BA but I'm not very what to say in active in English language. Ngalapas ya ka BA tambah ngasupas kuntul ki kakun balik school. No, I'm studying. I'm continue my college with my children. And so house nam ar pulai bang sedang ya kane ka lakadong Turmeric kumbar video iba ayo ya kane ka award nak bentau nu lakadong Turmeric. Uni usnai juni actually it is doing since from our grandparents ngilale nadu imei pa jongi kila sedang Andre hati tu kipor 4 don batip 4 don bas ngutu sepang kumnum wa uni ulang kadong jengi ulang ubabha dan ulang ubadon kam duk kata-kata nadu bisna mar hajar ar pulai daga jingarap jong ka spice boards of government kilawan susnong jongi ban ayani ya kata ka jingmut kumno ladadon mano ba rep sundra lakadong they will provide us a subsidy to the farmers ngalaya sekmat ngalawan sa office jongki ngalaya pan ka jingarap na kabantaban yo ya kaneka subsidy na kabanta kinong rep during that time from 2000s up to 2015 I helped the farmers to receive this subsidy 7 to 8 farmers including with 5 villages. In our Laskin block, West India Hills, we have around 86 villages. All these 86 villages, they are growing lakadong Turmeric. I am so happy with the help of the government, Spice Boards Department, the farmer, they got this opportunity to buy the seed from the farmer and expand their area plantations since from the years up to 2015. By the years 2015 still now, if the Spice Board cannot help or cannot continue to help our farmer by giving them this subsidy, but still we are having connected during the programs like the training program, like the awareness programs, we are connected with Spice Board. I am so happy by the help of God. The farmer in our area, all they are poor. What we are doing regarding this lakadong Turmeric, we are doing in manual work. Right from growing, slicing, drying, and everything we are doing with manual work. By the years of 2018, the governments of Meghalaya launched the Lakadong missions. So that by this time, the government elects me as the leader farmers to that our area, but not only that area, but in all in Meghalaya. So again, I have this opportunity to help the farmers. The Lakadong Turmeric projects, they provide to the leaders or to the farmers. Through the leaders, we buy the turmeric seeds from the farmer, then again we expand our area plantations to the farmers. From that time, by regarding with the spice boards, I have helped the farmer up to 700 to 800. But right now, I have more than thousands farmers to grow this Lakadong Turmeric. Being a teacher, after school, I am a farmer. During school, I am a teacher. Then out of school, I am a farmer. I am not only a farmer also. I am help the poor people. I am help the sick people, the patients. Those patients, they don't know how to find out any hospital. They don't know how to go to Shillong. I myself, I am the ones who are interesting to help the patients or those who need my help. Kaya ka bang tip, kaya ka bang don. I don't have any idea by doing this job I will get some things like Padmasri Awards. I don't expect this one. I am doing my own will. I am doing my sin. Not only anybody to help me, to encourage me, but I myself, I have the wills how to help the poor, then how to put or how to keep this Lagadang turmeric to sustainable in our time but to next generations. Umdon hiba ong yang banle kumta umdon hiba penbuat henday ay bakibru ki kwa nga ay ta komam sungwa na ta kadawi mat blay. God chose me to receive this Padmasri Awards. It is coming right from heavens. Kami kajing yo jongay kami ka Padmasri Awards. Haga banang kong ngam smutau ka ay kani. Haba barok ibrio ki ay nga kami ka congratulations. Last year on 26 Republic Day, they announced there in West Chantia Hills in the Republic Day inaugurations. So I, the Mrs. Trinity Sayo, received this Padmasri Award because of doing with this Lagadang turmeric. Hagajingim jonga ngam hun banle tangi kuwai kakam. I am not satisfied to do only one. Suppose like I am a teacher or only for turmerics, but I am doing with self-help group also. In our village, we have 25 groups with the foundations by NRLM. We have 25 groups in our village. I belongs with the Chiborlang SG, including 10 members. Then I myself naladehi ngala sna kawai ka society. The name of that society, Young Scam Spice Producer Cooperative Society, including 25 members. And then we have also one big federations, including all the 86 villages in our federations. If you want to buy the turmeric, then we announce in all these villages, then they will bring the turmeric in one place. Then after that, hadian kato bangayo ikani ka Padmasri Awards. You know how I'm feeling on 25th January last month. 1 week I cannot sleep when I'm thinking about this award. Why I'm like that? Because I don't want to receive only this award. Then I'm thinking in myself that how I can improve, how I have to go forwards to improve my jobs. Even if I'm helping the farmers, I'm a teacher, I'm a farmer, and also I am the exporters also. I help the farmers how to export their turmerics. Nowadays, all over India, I have export my turmerics. But now I am trying to connect to outside India. I have my friend from USA also, but I didn't not yet to provide my turmerics to outside India. But I have my friend within India also. Then I have connected with them. I asked them, I am the source. You are the exporters even to outside India also. I'm so happy to meet you, madam, here, because you are having, what to say, the job. It is a very good job. It is a very dangerous HIV. When we are talking about HIV, it is very dangerous, right? But the moms, she is what to say, she spare her lot of time to help the patient like this, those who have infected with HIV. So I am very grateful of you, moms. We, both of us, we are working the same, suppose. Even if it is not the same also, but we are doing these social works to help to help the others, those who need our helps. But I don't think mom also will do specific only with HIV. I think another job so you can do. If you want my turmeric, I can provide you, mom. Last but not the least, I want to share something with you, the student here. Kalawai ke jampi, your futures don't depend only on government jobs. You have to do some business also. Business, it is a very important, but I didn't want the business to be a selfish business. Being a farmer also, you can do whatever you want. If you are doing only with the government jobs, you have no free to work with other jobs. You are a farmer, means you are a, suppose pilong ki balai lu, you are free, pila ban lek ai ke bapimon. Ladapically, if you ask me how you divide your time, you are a teacher, that I am a farmers, then I am doing with social works, so I don't know what to say. I have no time since from mornings 6 o'clock till 11 o'clock night. Ngatray baro chismi, ngadibaya ko po janga kat bonus nula. Ngadon ko por ban bam, ngadon ko por ban thia, ngadon ko por ban sumansle. Henry, we have to know how to divide our timetable. Ngidai ban perkat, bat ngidai ban sendor. Ya kecing em jongi kumung ngin le ban pendep ya kakam ko jong. Te kam jong na ta kadawong if he is student ki badan hang ni. I'm very proud of you. You are carrying your career, and then you have to think your parents also. The parents are doing very hard for our children. Ni kundi kimi pa, ni don ke jing ba khri e phi ki khon. Teng ki khon kim tip ke ai ka bang ni kimi pa ni sem. Sometimes our children they don't know how we the parents we suffer about you. We have to think especially about money, from where we will have lots of money to spend to your ban pelut hagai ka pidan kam ka pule ka puti. In this generations hakane ka generation manta ban pelit school ki khon kan long too much expensive, right mom? Too much expensive. Nagtadaw ni kung gikimiki pa. Even if it is like that also, we are very happy if our children going up. Nadagi khon jungi ki ya sakmat, nadagi khon jungi ki long ki ba kumus nani ki kimi ki pa kanu e ladangi telot ladangi swai habang itre bang kita ladaga met jungi wala daga long ka telot hadian ngi tre ngi kita hendrai ngi kimen pa bani hi khon jungi ki ya sakmat hag jing nang jing stia ka jing sta ba ka burom ya ki kimi ki pa. Okay, my visions I want to share to you. Sharing, loving, respecting each other, that is my visions. Kalau ege bang mah ke jingim jongang kuat, bakini baru lah itli. Kita bandon ke jingim jongi. We are the human being. We have to share each other. We have to love each other, and then we have to respect each other. Only these few words. Thank you.